Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to do the slow motion effect for your videos in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main menu and by this menu right here where you can see you can get started creating your composition. So entering the composition name you want to use, go ahead and select the quality and fill out all the info that you need, and after that click OK and you can get started with the composition. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with adding the slow-mo effect. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the project that we want where our videos are with the slow-mo effect being added. So as you can see in the file option in the upper left corner, we can get started with opening the project, or if you do not already have a project, just go to the import section and then you can click file, and now you can start adding videos to your project that you want to turn slow-mo. So guys, go ahead and add the videos and they're going to appear right here, so you can just drag them and start editing them guys, and your videos are going to appear in the timeline right here. The timeline is going to enable us to see how long videos are and so on, and basically guys, there is an option that you can use in this timeline to get your slow-mo effect. You want to go ahead and right click on the video that's going to appear right here, so you'll have a video, right click on it, and there is going to appear a menu item that says time. So go put your mouse on the time option, and when you put it on time guys, there is going to appear an option that says stretch time. So guys, the stretch time is the option we want to use for slow-mo. So after selecting stretch time guys, now we can go ahead and select how much we want to stretch it. That's going to enable the capacity of the slow-mo, so you can go ahead and mess around with it until you get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.